So you want to know how to create custom brushes in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how. So let's crack on. It's a pretty easy process. You want to start by selecting the ellipse tool by coming over to the left hand side here, holding down your mouse on the rectangle tool and then moving down to the ellipse tool, or you can just press L on your keyboard. Now draw out a shape with the ellipse tool. Make sure it isn't too thick, as this will be the basis for your brush. Make sure it's filled black and get rid of the outline. So we're going to use this here. Now with the shape selected, you want to open your brush menu and choose new brush. If you haven't got your brush menu open already in one of your panels, just go to window and move down to brushes. Now you're going to want to select art brush. Once you press OK, you'll come up with this menu. You're going to name that, and then we're going to leave everything as it is. Let's press OK. So now you'll have a brush. Now let's turn our attention to the paintbrush tool. With the paintbrush selected, make sure we have our newly created art brush selected in the panel, and let's start drawing out some lines with our brush. If you want to adjust how smooth the actual brush is, then just double click the actual brush tool, and then you can change the fidelity so it's accurate or smooth. And you can see the difference there between the accurate and smooth. Just creates a much nicer, smoother flow to your line. But there may be instances where you want a more accurate path. You don't have to just stick with a simple ellipse brush either. You can experiment with shapes and create a range of brushes, like this for example. Rather than a single ellipse, I'm going to have two overlapping. That brush, make sure it's selected in the panel. There you go. Now it's almost like a forked snake's tongue. But you can do this with pretty much any shape. Just play around, see what you can create. Some will work better than others, but that is the basis of creating your own art brushes in Adobe Illustrator. It really is that easy. If you have any additional questions, I'd be happy to help. So please pop them down in the comments. And if you found the video helpful, I'd appreciate you liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more tips on vector design and illustration. Till next time, stay creative.